Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix IOMMU is disabled for Faceit. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do here, you need to go on search, then you need to go to settings. On settings, you need to go to Windows Update, then you need to go to advanced options, then go to a recovery, advanced startup, and restart your computer. And after your computer restarts, you need to enter BIOS. And after you restart your computer, and you should see this window here, then you need to go to troubleshoot, then go to advanced options, and then you need to go to a UEFI firmware settings, right? And then press restart and wait until your computer reboots to BIOS mode. So guys, I have a Gigabyte motherboard, so if you have different one, it may be different for you, but probably you will get a point. And also, I will leave the article that shows with a lot of motherboards how you can enable IOMMU, right? So for Gigabyte, it's quite easy. You just need to go to settings, then you need to go to a miscellaneous, then go to VT-D here and make sure it's enabled, right? And then simply what you need to do here next is to make sure to go to boot, secure boot, make sure CSM support is disabled and secure boot also is enabled here. And then you just need to save and exit and you'll be done. So that's pretty much it on this end. And now let's go back on desktop. And guys, once you're on your desktop, then you just need to write Faceit AC, run Faceit AC on your computer. Then as you can see here, you should get this message here. If you set up everything correctly, TPM, secure boot, and IOMMU enabled on your system. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like.